Hello, it's me again. We're doing a walk to the fairy tree so that we can have a look and see if anything's changed. Let's turn around and see if we can find the puppers. Where are they? I can't see them. Oh, there's one. There's Scout. And Cosmo. Shall we go and have a look at the fairy tree? Yes. It is very, very cold today. Even though most of the snow is gone. Seems to be colder. But over on the east, can you see the sun? It's peeking up over the hill. That is sunrise still happening. It's about 8:30 in the morning, but the sun is just waking up properly. It looks lovely, doesn't it? The birds have been awake for a long time and they're all talking to each other. Oh, wow, look at that. It's quite a nice sunrise. We walk down the road. Looks rather sad now the snow's gone, doesn't it? The snow made it look bright and happy. Cosmo is having a good sniff. See which of his friends have been down here today. I'm sure he's actually probably up earlier than most of them, so they'll be sniffing for his scent. We'll catch up with them later. Scout's doing the same, but I think he's on the hunt for a stick. You know what Scout's like and his sticks. He loves a good stick. Now before we turn the corner, we'll have one last look at the sunrise. See how pretty it is coming through the trees. Wow, it's actually quite bright, isn't it? I think we'll flick away from that. Looks like the dogs that normally bark are not up yet. They're having a little sleep in. Now, can you remember where we go? Do we go left or do we go right? Well, right is the secret path. Oh look, there's the sun peeking over. I didn't realise we'd see it. Wow, that is so bright. But we're not going down the secret path today. I know. He's trying to tell us. I know. We're going to the fairy tree. Yes. I know. It's so exciting. I think we'll go over to this side of the road because there are other people on the road. There's a couple of other dogs just coming up. Hopefully everything will be okay because these look like nice dogs. Walk on, walk on, walk on. Hello, we're doing a video for people shielding.
Oh, hello.
If you want to say hello, you can wave. Hello. What's he done to his little tail?
Oh, he's whacked it, I think, and he's sitting licking it, so we've
Had to put a wee thing on the top.
Yes, yeah.
Oh. Dogs always get little injuries, don't they? That doggy had a little thing in its tail because they think he banged it against a wall and hurt himself. Oh. There's a tiny bit of snow here, look, just all on its own. Still looks really slippy though. But this bit's okay. I think the sun mustn't be able to get to that bit much during the day. Because look, you've got a big hill. So the sun's over there. So it'd have to come up quite high to get in here to melt this. But in the winter time, the sun never gets too high. So chances are that'll be the last place to melt on this road. Lovely bird song. And we're not far from the fairy tree, so we can have a look and see if the fairies have done anything else since we last came and visited them. Oh, look, there's still some snow in that field. There's the sun peeking up just above that hill. Now, do you remember the sun rises in the east? So we know that we are walking north now. Oh, there's the fairy tree. Let's have a look. There's the little farmer's place and their little dog. Oh, that's still lovely, isn't it? And then we'll have a look. Do you remember what's behind here? Yes! Then we'll climb up the steps, along, put the windmill on. Not that we need cooling down because it's so cold. There, hello. We'll close the door for other people so they can get a nice surprise, and then we'll climb up the steps. Oh, look, what's that? That's still Peter Rabbit there. Climb up the steps to this little bit here. Yeah, the little teddy bears. 3 bears. You remember a story with 3 bears in it? Goldilocks and the 3 bears. Yes! And I don't think there's anything new on here. I think that's still the squirrel. It's the highest one ever. That's so nice. So let's have a look over here. A lovely rainbow with a picture of a boy and girl. And, oh, I think that's frozen there. I don't think we'll be able to move that. Oh, yes, we can. Yay! Yay! And shall we open the doors? Yes. Door number 1. Let's have a look. What's behind door number 1? Oh, it's Doctor Who! They've changed the picture. Oh, that's quite exciting. That makes us want to look at door number 2. So we'll close that. Shall we have a look? at door number 2. Yes. What's behind here? Oh, some lovely snowmen. We'll close the door for other people to try. Shall we have a look at door number 3? Yes. Let's have a look. Oh, that's the little boy in the snowman. Yay. And we'll close the door and we'll have a look over here. Oh, do you remember this snowman? Looks rather odd now the snow's gone, but he still looks so happy, doesn't he? Down here we've got a little heron. But yes, Cosmo, there's a pole, isn't there? What's on this pole? Wow! That is an incredibly happy snowman who is going skiing by the looks of it. A skiing snowman. Ah, now we have to look at these flags. There's 2 flags that he's flying. Maybe you and Mum and Dad and aunties and uncles and grandma and grandpas could find out what that flag is. I'm thinking something beginning with F or F, but I'm not sure, so maybe you could look it up. Look at these skis. That snowman has been skiing, hasn't he? Or she. Definitely a happy snowman. Yes, I know, Cosmo, it's time to go. We'll take a picture from the distance and let you have a look from the distance at the fairy tree. Yes, I know, you want to say goodbye. Scout, you're going to say goodbye. And it's goodbye from me. I hope you enjoyed our early morning walk to the fairy tree. Bye. See you next time.